Hey, welcome back to Tech with Ratan. This is Ratan. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what we are going to build in my latest Django with Agentic AI course. It's a really cool end-to-end project, so don't skip the video, just watch it till the end. You will like it. So we are going to build the customer support portal for a fictional company called Coolbreeze AC. So this Coolbreeze AC is a company that sells air conditioners. So first of all, we'll be having the login page so that the customer can log in. So I'm logging in as a customer. So here, the moment you log in, you will see the list of orders. Okay, so these are the list of orders that we have put in the database. Okay, so in this my orders page, you will see the order status: pending, cancelled, dispatched, or delivered. And now, if you have any issues with any of these orders, you will simply go to the order detail page, and here you will see the details of this order and including the status, and there is also refund history. So there's this get help button. So I'll click on this get help button, and you can now contact the support agent. On the other side of this chart, there is no human. There are only AI agents. We have three AI agents. One is the level 1 support agent, which is Maya, and another is the manager agent, and another one is the risk agent who will access the fraud risk of a customer. Okay, so we can just start talking just by saying hi or anything. Okay, so it will just greet you, and after that I will ask some questions. Okay, so maybe I'll ask a question that needs an interaction with our database. Okay, so this is very important. We are actually connecting our support agent with our real data, with the database. Okay, since this order status is still dispatched, I want to ask why my order is not yet delivered. So the moment I hit enter, this message will go to your AI agent, and this AI agent will actually look at the order status and order details, order status, and everything, and it will give you the response. I have the code here. So parallelly, I will show you some of the tools getting triggered the moment I hit enter. Okay, so this means the AI agents are running. All right, so let me hit enter, and you will see this typing. And while this is typing, and you will see our AI agents, they have started running. Okay, so you can see here. So it is calling the order details with this order ID, and there is there is already a final reply from our AI agent. And you know what, there is no manager involved in this chat. Okay, so only the support agent is enough to handle this kind of easy task. So it is saying your order is currently in transit with the blue dot, and the good news is it is estimated to be delivered tomorrow. Okay, so I'll ask something complex. So I will say I need a refund. Okay, I need refund. So let's see now what will happen in the terminal. You can see. Okay, so the agent has started in a thread through two, and okay, so you will see this one, right? So there should be a manager involved here. Okay, so you can see um okay, you can see the manager received the case for review, and now manager is consulting the risk agent for fraud assessment, because before I provide the before anyone provide the refund, he needs to see, right? So whether the customer is risky or not, right? So now we got the decision deny refund. Okay, so three agents, they talked to, or they communicated with each other, and they decided that they should deny the refund. Okay, so you can see here, unfortunately the refund cannot be approved at this time. All right, so three agents are working. One agent is the level 1 support agent, and then the manager is being triggered, and after that the manager is taking the help of the third AI agent, which is the risk agent. So the risk agent will actually assess the customer's risk profile and come up with the decision or the verdict. And then your manager, you see this decision made by senior support manager Coolbreeze AC. So this kind of decisions we get from the AI agents, and then your level 1 support agent will tell you this in a chat. Now, let's say Coolbreeze AC has the staff who wants to see the decisions of the AI agents. They cannot just go to the terminals and see, right? So that's the reason we have the full Coolbreeze AC dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard will have this conversation list. So if I view this, you will see the agent activity. Okay, you will see all the agent activity, right? So you can see the escalate to manager, and there is a decision and the verdict, calling, get customer risk profile, and everything is here. right? The manager, risk agent, and everyone is running. So this is not a normal static dashboard. It's a live streaming dashboard. Okay, how it is a live streaming dashboard? Let me show you how it works. Okay, so I will just make it little smaller so that side by side I can see. So I will say, maybe I will lie something. Maybe I'll say, but your salesperson said I will get the refund. Okay, so let's see. The moment I hit enter, you see this right on the right side. This started working. So it's processing, and you can see it is calling the tools and escalating to the manager, and the manager received the case, and there is a risk assessment again, right? So let's see what happens. Okay, so again, risk agent gave the verdict, and it says the risk level is medium for me, and again the decision came, refund denied. Okay, even if I said, your salesperson said I will, I'll get the refund, but it says that I've checked with my manager, and unfortunately the refund cannot be approved at this time. Okay, so it is hard to trick this kind of AI agents. Now one more interesting thing I want to show you. So see, I have, let me just minimize this, and I have these files, I mean these FAQs, and I have this refund policy, and I also have this warranty policy, right? So in typically what happens in the real companies, real support agencies, they provide this kind of policies or the documents to the human support agents, but we have AI agents, not human agents, right? So we are implementing the RAG system for the AI agents to be able to search through these company documents and the policies using the vector database called ChromaDB. Typically, LLMs are trained with the broad context, okay, with their training data, but they don't know about the Cool Breeze AC refund policy, right? We have to tell them. How we will tell them? With the RAG system, okay. So now I will ask some questions regarding the Cool Breeze AC company policy, right? So let me say, what is your refund policy? So you can see the response, right? So it is giving the proper response as we have in our refund policy, right? 90 days of delivery, and within 30 days of product delivery, and the refund requests are typically processed within 7 to 10 days. The same thing it is saying. And let's say I want to ask the support agent which stabilizer I want to use for this AC. Okay, which stabilizer I should use for my AC. Okay, so this is kind of, you're talking to a human, right? So let's say, you see, since you have 1.5 ton AC, you see this, it is 1.5 ton AC, right? So we recommend using minimum 4 kVA stabilizer for safe and optimal performance. How does this know that 4 kVA? Because we have the document about our Cool Breeze AC, right? So this is the product document, and you'll see what stabilizer should I use. Use a minimum 4 kVA stabilizer for 1.5 ton AC, right? There can be a lot of use cases, like what if the user wants to ask the support agent, how do I clean the filter, right? Let me say, how do I clean the filter myself? Okay, so your document has everything. Your AI agent knows that how to do that, right? So it's pretty simple. Just remove the front panel. You see this, whatever it is saying is actually in the product manual, right? You see this, remove the front panel, slide out the filter, and the same thing is, it is reading and understanding and telling you the exact exact steps that you need to take. Okay, so these AI agents are actually trained and made for this Cool Breeze AC company. Okay, so this is the kind of intelligent application you are going to build in this course. Once the development is done, we will deploy this project on the production server. So that's the complete end-to-end project you are going to build in this course. And you can definitely include this project in your resume and portfolio. So if you're interested to build this complete agentic AI system on your own, just enroll now. I'll see you inside the course.